On the way to Utica right now. We are an hour and 33 minutes away.
We're gonna take some photos. We're gonna see what's up. Sky's blue, weather's good. 102 miles to Utica. The tank is full.
Found somewhere to park. Hopefully we don't get towed. All right, we are in Utica. We got offered a slice of pizza for some photos, so I think we're already off to a good start. Let's go check the It looks like Albany, even though I already drove 2 hours away from Albany. But I'm keeping a good attitude. Nah, those are different. Keep going this way though. Should we go? Go!
Charge all your camera gear and stuff, right? On one street.
Yeah.
All super old buildings. Very nice.
Yeah, I just wanted to get some of that stuff in the foreground though. Can I take your photo? This place has not been open in many years. Dude, it's all like sun bleached. Like,
That's all VHS on the shelf, bro. Throw your chips in, right? Have a good one, brother.
can I get your photo? Tim is officially late to work.
Yeah.
We are
Well,
2 hours away from what, Albany-ish area. It's
Yeah.
where he works.
yeah.
What time is it now?
2:55.
And what time do you go in?
Or doing some wild.
All right, Tim successfully called in late to work, and we're wrapping it up now. Should be at the car in a few minutes. This is for creating new buildings.
Oh, what's that, Mad Max? Or the Mad? No, not Mad Max.
Just got back to the car, unloaded, and we're gonna head out now.